All right, Sí Bheag, Mhór. For students, say, kind of intermediate to as advanced as you want to be. This, of course, very well-known tune from Tullach O'Carolan or Tullach Carolyn, depending on who you're paying attention to. A lovely tune, comes out of Ireland's ancient harp repertoire. All right, it's not often played on the whistle, and I think these are beautiful, beautiful whistle tunes. A couple of small things. It's a great tune for taps, like you have that, it has that soft quality instead of there I'm using my tongue and it gets a little harsh. That's a little too bangy. Or you could also use your diaphragm there. Nice softer way of repeating first the B then the A. That I'm fond of the tap there. Also a nice tune perhaps for a few not slides but slurs into notes that so we'll try that again. So I'm sliding from now those slides can be done any number of ways. Like what I'm doing is reaching and kind of slowly opening that hole. You could also do it by going. That's personal choice, and everyone's fingers are different. And the other note that I'm doing the same thing here, where I'm straightening this knuckle and just kind of reaching. And of course I'm doing a and other than that, you can slow the video down, of course, and catch any other details that you're looking for.